Hello friends, today we are going to discuss chapter circles and we are going to do problems based on circles. So in the previous video we have done introduction and some important terms and we have discussed one example sum on circles. So if you want to watch that video, the link is in description below. You can go and watch that video. So after watching that video, this video will be more clear to you. Okay, so before going into the video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Go into the video without any delay. So the first question is on your screen. Just have a look at it. A chord of length 24 cm is a distance of 5 cm from center of the circle. Find the length of the chord of the same circle which is a distance of 12 cm from the center. So that is what the question is asked. So let us draw a circle. We are having a circle over here. And a chord. Let us name the chord as some AB. This chord is AB. And this is of 24 cm as per the given question. This is 24 cm. You can see a chord of length 24 cm is a distance of 5 cm from the center of circle. So this is center. Let us take center O and one line. I am drawing this line from the center because they have said that the distance is 5 cm from the circle, from the center of the circle. So this line, let us take this point as P. Here the point P. So it is 5 cm. OP is equal to 5 cm. Okay. Now we are having AB 24 cm, AB 24 cm and OP 5 cm. Next information is find the length of the chord of the same circle which is a distance of 12 cm from the center. So another chord is drawn like this. Another chord. Yeah, this is chord. Let us name it as some CD. Okay. Now another chord is drawn and this distance from the center is, it is given 12 cm. 12 cm. Let us take it as OQ. OQ is the distance from the center of the circle, the chord distance, CD distance from center of the circle. Okay. Now they asked to find what is the length of CD. For that we have to do construction, that is draw OQ perpendicular to CD. Okay. When you draw the diagram itself, just draw it perpendicular to CD and OP also perpendicular to AB. OP should be also perpendicular to AB. So why I am saying this is, we have a theorem that we have discussed in the previous video, that is perpendicular from center to chord bisects it, bisects chord. What does it mean? That is, when a perpendicular is drawn from the center, this perpendicular will be bisecting this chord. To what chord it is drawn, that chord it will be bisecting. So now here OP is a perpendicular to AB. So OP is perpendicular to AB, so it will definitely bisect AB. So now what is the meaning of bisecting? That means it is dividing AB into two equal parts. That is AP will be equal to PB. AP is equal to PB is equal to half of AB, because they are 1 by 2, means the AB is whole one line and this is one part in two parts. AP is one part and PB is one part, so it will be half of AB. Okay, now the length of AB is given, that is 24 centimeter. Let us substitute here, that is AB is equal to PB is equal to half of AB length is given here 24 centimeter. Half into 24, 2 ones are 2 12s are. So AP is equal to PB is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, now AP length is 12 centimeter over here. Now again we have to do a construction, that is construction join OA. So this is O and this is A. Okay, join OA. So from the center to any point on the circumference of the circle will be the radius. Now the radius is nothing but OA. OA length we have to find, and we'll be drawing another line, that is OC, and we'll be finding CD's length. That will be simpler. Okay, now OA, how to find is, now angle OPA is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, this I have already explained in the previous video. Pythagoras theorem, that is when the angle is 90 degree, a triangle is there, this opposite, the line opposite to angle will be called as hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse square will be equal to the sum of the other side square, means OA square will be equal to AP square plus OP square. So OA square will be equal to OP square plus AP square. OP square plus AP square. Now we are having these values. AP is nothing but 12 centimeter. So here this will be 12 square plus OP square. OP, here we are having OP is 5 centimeter, that is given in the question. From the distance between the chord and center is equal to 5 centimeter, that is nothing but OP. OP is 5 centimeter. 5 square is equal to OA square. Okay, OA square is equal to 25 plus 144. This implies OA square is equal to 169. 144 plus 25 is nothing but 169. When we do square root on both sides, we will be getting, here square and root cancel, OA will be equal to square root of 169 is nothing but 13 centimeter. Square root of 169 is nothing but 30 centimeter. 13. So here OA will be nothing but 13 centimeter. Okay. Now another construction is join OC. Join OC. So when you join OC, this will be the radius. But you know, OC will be equal to OA. OC is equal to OA because radii of same circle. What does it mean is radii is nothing but plural form of radius. Radii of same circle is nothing but when two radius are drawn in a circle from the center. Radius is nothing but from the center a line to circumference of the circle. The all radius, how many radius you draw, how many radii you draw, those all will be equal. That is what I am saying here, radii of same circle. So OC also will be equal to 13 centimeter because OA is radius and it is 13 centimeter. We have proved here. And OC is also radius, so it will be 13 centimeter. OC is 13 centimeter and OQ is given 12 centimeter because it is the distance of 12 centimeters from the center, means this CD chord is drawn, right? This chord length will be, this chord will be at distance of 12 centimeter from the center. So that we have given names OQ. OQ will be equal to 12 centimeter. OQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Now here OQ is equal to 12 centimeter and OC is equal to 13 centimeter. Same way here we have found that this is 90 degree as it is perpendicular. Angle OQC is equal to 90 degree. Here we have seen that OAP, this triangle 13, 5 and 12. Okay, here 13, 5 and 12 we are having these triangles Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets are nothing but the three lengths of a circle, of a triangle. They will be constant. What I can say is when a triangle is drawn like this, when a triangle is drawn, if this is 13, 12 and 5, they are known as Pythagorean triplets. That is, if any side is missing, we can find and we will be getting the exact root. We will be getting the exact root without any decimal. Okay. Now here QC we have to find, and with that we can find the length of CD. So here 12 is there and OQ is 12 and OC is equal to 13 centimeter. Same way as in this triangle we are having 12, 5 and 13. Here we are having 13, OC is 13 and OQ is 12. Same way CQ will be equal to 5 centimeter. There is no need of finding also. Just we can write here, as here we are having these Pythagorean triplets. Same way here also we can write this Pythagorean triplets 5 centimeter. Now as we got 5 centimeter, OQ is perpendicular to CD. So OQ is perpendicular to CD. When OQ is perpendicular to CD, CD is nothing but a chord, OQ is nothing but a line from the center. So this same we will be using this statement. This statement will be using that perpendiculars drawn from center bisect chord. The highlighted one you can see, perpendiculars drawn from center bisect chord. This is theorem. So this theorem will be using over here. Perpendiculars bisect the center means CQ will be equal to QD, which is half of CD. Okay, CQ is equal to QD, which is equal to half of CD. But you know, now CQ is nothing but 5 centimeter. We have found that by Pythagoras theorem. CQ is 5 centimeter, so 5 equal to QD, which is equal to half of CD. Now just consider 5 and half of CD. 5 is equal to half of CD. So on transposing 2 onto LHS, we are getting 5 into 2 is equal to CD. CD equal to 5 into 2. What is 5 into 2 is nothing but 10 centimeter. So our length of CD equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Good question. This is some point of expected. So this is the next question. Just have a look at it. Two parallel chords are drawn in a circle of diameter 30 centimeter. The length of one chord is 24 and the distance between the two chords is 21. Find the length of another chord. So here what is given is, I am just drawing the diagram here. You will be more clear with it. So two parallel chords are drawn. Two parallel chords is nothing but when a circle is drawn, let us take the OS center and two parallel chords. Let us take them as AB, CD. So these two are parallel to each other. These two are parallel to each other. That is, AB is parallel to CD. Chords are drawn in circle of diameter is 30 centimeter. Diameter is nothing but the longest chord passing through the center. So let us take it as some EF. EF. So EF is equal to 30 centimeter. Now we are having length of one chord is 24 and another chord is not given. Length of one chord is 24. Let us take AB is equal to 24 centimeter. And the distance between two chords is 21. If we take this point as P and this point is Q, PQ is nothing but 21 centimeter. Let us write the information below the question. That is, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, EF is equal to 30 centimeter and PQ is equal to 21 centimeter. This is what they said. And now what they asked to find is, find the length of the another chord. Length of another chord is nothing but CD. CD length they are asking to find. Okay, fine. Now just take the diameter. This is perpendicular. Let us take this as perpendicular. Same way here also to CD and as well as AB. For both the chords, let us take diameter is perpendicular. So you know that the before theorem we have used, that is perpendiculars from center bisect the chord. Nothing but AP is equal to PB is equal to half of AB. AP is equal to PB is equal to half of AB and CQ is equal to QD is equal to half of CD. Now we have to find the length of CD. For that we will be doing a small construction, that is join OB. We will be joining OB as well as OD. Okay, OD we can join later for the second chord. First join OB. You know AB is perpendicular, AB is 24 centimeter. AB is 24 centimeter. So now let us rub AB and write as 24 centimeter. 2 into 24 centimeter is nothing but 1/2 into 24 is nothing but 12 centimeter. So let us write AP is equal to PB is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, now AP is equal to PB is equal to 12 centimeter. PB value we got now, that is 12. And here also same way, PBO, triangle PBO is of this is a right angle triangle, that is angle OPB is a right angle because it is perpendicular to this line AB. As it is perpendicular, by Pythagoras theorem we will be getting OB square is equal to OP square plus BP square. But for that we have to know what is the length of OP over here. So we know PQ is 21 centimeter. PQ is equal to 21 centimeter, that is nothing but the distance between the two chords. Here in this triangle we can find the length of OB. This there is one formula, that is diameter, half of diameter is equal to radius. Just note this formula, half of diameter is radius. We are having the diameter in the question of diameter 30 centimeter. When diameter is 30 centimeter, radius will be half of diameter, that is nothing but half into 30, nothing but 15 centimeter. So radius will be equal to, that is nothing but OB will be equal to 15 centimeter. Now by Pythagoras theorem in triangle OPB we are having OB square is equal to BP square plus OP square. Okay, now OB square is nothing but 15 square is equal to 12 square plus OP square or PO square. So 15 square is equal to OP square plus 12 square. Now OP square is equal to, on transposing 12 square onto LHS, we are getting 15 square 225 minus 144, where we are getting OP square is equal to 81. On square rooting on both sides, we are getting OP is equal to 9 centimeter. Now we know PQ is equal to 21 centimeter. PQ is equal to 21 centimeter, and PQ from the figure is nothing but PO plus OQ. So PO plus OQ is equal to 21 centimeter, that is nothing but PQ. But now we are having the value of OP, that is 9 centimeter. OP plus PQ, PO or OP we are having, that is 9 centimeter. Now let us write 9 plus OQ is equal to 21. OQ is equal to 21 minus 9, which is equal to 12 centimeter. So OQ will be equal to 12 centimeter. OP is equal to this line, OP is equal to 9 centimeter, OQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the length of this chord. So I am just rubbing these measurements over here. Okay. Yeah. Now join OD. Join OD. This is construction we have to do over here. Join OD. You know the length of OB, right? OB length is nothing but radius, that is 15 centimeter. So definitely OD will be 15 centimeter. When OD is equal to OB, both are 15 centimeter, and we know OQ is nothing but 12 centimeter. Now by Pythagoras theorem we are getting QD. We have to do QD, right? That we have already done. That is, here you can see 15. This one, what I am saying is, the before triangle we have done and we got 9 centimeter OP. So here also we are having 15, 12, 9. Here also we are having 15, 12, and definitely QD will be equal to 9 centimeter. QD equal to 9 centimeter. This you will be getting by Pythagoras theorem. So this is best way we can do. If one triangle we are getting, we are having the another triangle also in the same way. If you are not having, we have to do the Pythagoras theorem, what we have done the before. Okay, now QD is 9 centimeter. We know on doing this equation, QD is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. Okay. Now CQ is also 9 centimeter, as we are having QD equal to CQ is equal to half of CD. Now just take this half of CD. Half of CD equal to QD you are having. Half of CD equal to QD. Nothing but 9 centimeter is equal to 9. So half of CD is equal to 9 you are having. On transposing 9 onto LHS, you are getting CD equal to, on transposing 2 onto RHS, we are getting CD is equal to 9 into 2, CD is equal to 18 centimeter. So CD is nothing but 18 centimeter. So this is also an important question. You are having CD is nothing but 18 centimeter. Let us go on to the next question, the last question. So here, this is the information available to us from this diagram, and this is the question asked. Here also some informations are given. Okay, just have a look at it. A chord CD of a circle. So this is chord CD and this is of circle whose center is O. Circle center is O, is bisected by P by a diameter, bisected at P by a diameter AB. Means definitely you have to understand here, that is OP bisects CD. OP is bisecting CD. OP bisects CD, and you know that one theorem I have explained in the previous video, that is, if you are having a line from the center which is bisecting the chord, definitely it will be perpendicular from the center. This will be perpendicular from the center. So angle OPC is equal to 90 degree. Angle OPD is also equal to 90 degree. So this is the information available to us from this diagram, and AB is a diameter. Okay, still more what information is available to us is given OA is equal to OB is equal to 15 centimeter. From the figure, OA is nothing but the radius of the circle, OB is also the radius of the circle. So both radii are same in a circle, so they both are equal to 15 centimeter. OA is equal to OB is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, then OP is equal to 9 centimeter. OP is equal to 9 centimeter. So I am adjusting this perpendiculars. Just this perpendiculars I am drawing here, and OP is 9 centimeter. Now calculate length of CD. CD means that chord's length they are asking. In order to know that, we have to get what is the length of OC. Okay, the length of OC, when we draw, we'll be getting the radius, and from this triangle will be there, right? I'm drawing this from the center. It is okay. Now here we have to get OP. OP we know that it is 9 centimeter. Okay, and we are having CD. To find out, for that we have here information that is CD is bisected at P. CD is bisected at P, so CP will be equal to PD. This is nothing but half of CD. Just remember this. Let us make it as equation number 1. Okay. Now here in triangle OPC, triangle OPC, triangle OPC OPC, triangle OPC, you are having triangle OPC, angle OPC is equal to 90 degree. Angle OPC is equal to 90 degree. Triangle OPC is equal to 90 degree. Sorry, angle OPC is equal to 90 degree. Now OC is hypotenuse, and PC square plus OP square is equal to OC square. PC square plus OP square is equal to OC square. Okay. Now here we are having OC is nothing but, OC is not given, that we have to find out. OC is nothing but 15 centimeter, because radius of the circle OA is nothing but 15 centimeter. So OC is also a radius. So OC will be 15 centimeter. OC, let us write here as 15 square is equal to OP square. OP square we have to get that OP is nothing but 9. Just point out my finger. OP is nothing but 9. 9 square. PC square we don't know, which is to be found. PC square. Okay, now let us find it. Now here we are having the previous sum, that is we are having a Pythagorean triplet. In the previous sum also we are having a Pythagorean triplet over here. That is, here you can see in this sum we are having a Pythagorean triplet, that is 15, 9 and this is 12. So the remaining part will be 9 centimeter. So basing on this I am not doing. If it is asked in the exam, you have to do it. So PC square is equal to 15 square is nothing but 225 minus 81. You can do here. PC square you are getting 144. Square rooting on both sides. PC is equal to 12 centimeter. PC is nothing but 12 centimeter. From the figure, or not from the figure, you can see here equation is there. PC is 12 centimeter is equal to half of CD. So CD is equal to, on transposing 2 onto LHS, you are getting 12 into 2 nothing but 24 centimeter. So CD is nothing but 24 centimeter. This is first bit. Now we are having the second bit to find the length of AD. So AD is nothing but from this line we have to join here. Join AD. Okay. Now if you want to find the length of AD, first we have to know the length of DP, the length of AP, and then we will be knowing the length of AD. So for that, just now we have done that CD is equal to 24 centimeter, but PD is equal to half of CD. So 2PD is equal to CD, nothing but 24 is equal to, PD is equal to half of 24, nothing but 12 centimeter. So PD will be equal to 12 centimeter. This is from the equation 1 that I have written before, right? Yeah, that one. PD is equal to 12 centimeter. Now PD is equal to 12 centimeter. We have to find the length of AP over here. To find the length of AP, we are having AP is nothing but OP plus OA. OP here we are having 9 centimeter and OA we are having 15 centimeter. OA is equal to 15 and OP is equal to 9. 15 plus 9 is nothing but, so AP is equal to 15 plus 9, which is equal to 24 centimeter. So AP is also equal to 24 centimeter. AP equal to 24 centimeter and PD equal to 12 centimeter. We have to find the length of AD. So by Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AP square plus PD square. AD square is equal to AP square. We are having 24 square plus PD square is nothing but 12 square 144. So 24 is nothing but we are having 576 as the value of 24 square. Yeah, 576. Now AD we have to find. For that, do square root on both sides. AD square is equal to, so 576 plus 144, you are getting 720, and AD is nothing but root of 720. AD is nothing but root of 720. So for this one, when you do the long division method to find the root, so long division method when you do, you are getting 26.83. AD is equal to 26.83. I am not showing the long division method. You can do it in your book and find, and this is the round off value. Okay, yeah, AD is equal to 26.83. you are getting over here. Next one, find the length of CB. Here let us write AD is equal to 26.83 centimeter. So first CB, we have to draw this line CB. When we draw CB line, just consider what is the length of PC. Here we are having PC length. PC is nothing but 12 centimeter. PC is nothing but 12 centimeter. And next we have to get BP value also. BP value. BP is nothing but 15 minus 9, because you know OB is given here 15 centimeter, but you know the value of OP. OP value is nothing but 9 centimeter. Here it is given here in the question itself. So OB is nothing but OP minus PB. Okay, OB is nothing but OP minus PB. So your OB value will be equal to OB is equal to OP. OP is nothing but 9 and OB is equal to 15 minus 9 centimeter. Sorry, this will be PB. 15 minus 9 centimeter, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Now here we are having the value of PB is 6 centimeter. Don't forget to write the units. You have to write the units after the answer, the numerical value. Now angle CPB is equal to 90 degree. This we can get by vertically opposite angles or by linear pair. Anything is satisfied over here, because angle APD is nothing but 90 degree. So vertically opposite angle CPB will be equal to 90 degree. Angle CPB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now CB square plus PB square is equal to, sorry, PB square plus CP square. PB square plus CP square we are having is equal to BC square. So BC square is equal to PB square. We are having, just now I have said that PB square is nothing but 6 square, and CP square we are having 12 square. 12 square plus 6 square. 12 square plus 6 square. Okay. Now 12 square is nothing but 144 and 6 square is nothing but 36. BC square is equal to 144 plus 36. Your BC square you are having 180. Okay. Now square rooting on both sides, you are getting BC is equal to root of 180. Root of 180 is nothing but root of 5 into 36. 180 is nothing but 5 into 36. I am splitting over here. So 36 square is nothing but 36 square root. 36 square root is nothing but 6. So when you take 36 out, you will be getting 6 root 5. BC is equal to 6 root 5. So BC is equal to 6 into root 5 is nothing but 2.236. Your BC is equal to, when you multiply 6 to 12, 13, yeah, 13.416 centimeter. Your BC square or CB is nothing but 13.416 centimeter. So we have solved all the problems given now.
So thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we are near to 100 subscribers. So thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, friends. Thank you.